Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brandon with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking. Welcome back. Some experiments in the kitchen just happen to work, and this is one of them. This is spinach and shrimp cauliflower fried rice. Let's go. All right, what we have here is a piping hot wok. I'm just going to add in a couple teaspoons of olive oil. Then we're going to put in about a quarter cup of white onion, and let's go ahead and get a good little saute on those. Hey, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're not, I welcome you back. Be sure to hit that notification bell as well. I'd greatly appreciate it. Don't forget the thumbs up. All right, once you've got a little color on those onions, you're going to add in a couple bags of frozen riced cauliflower. Now, you can rice it yourself, but it is a lot easier just to get the frozen stuff, and it works great. Now, keep in mind, with it being frozen, there's going to be a little bit more moisture in there. So when you're cooking, don't worry about that. What you're going to want to do with your wok or in your pan is just make a well in the center of your rice and allow some of that liquid to cook out of there. And you'll be perfectly fine. It doesn't take very long. And once it's cooked out, it doesn't make the rice mushy or anything like that at all. You'll be good to go. So just make a little well like that, and it'll cook all that moisture out. Once the moisture is out of there, you want to go ahead and add in about a tablespoon or so of garlic. You can add a little more, a little less if you like. It's all totally up to you. And then what we've got here is a good handful of green onion. I'm using some of the whites, mostly whites and a little bit of the greens. And just go ahead and give that a good toss as well and begin to fry that up. Now what you're going to do, you want to season it up with some granulated garlic, granulated onion, a little white pepper. We don't need any salt because we're using soy sauce. The soy sauce is going to be plenty of salt for us. But just season it to taste. And just continue to keep it turning. Now, you want to keep your wok on high at all times. And just keep it rolling, you guys. Once we're about 5 minutes in, we're going to go ahead and add in our soy sauce. Now, what I have here is a little light soy sauce. This is going to provide the flavor. And then we have a little dark soy sauce, which is going to add a little richness and color. Like, you know, like I did with our St. Louis style fried rice, that we do like our fried rice a little dark. So that's why we're doing this this way. You don't have to, but I recommend it. And it's incorporated well until that rice pretty much completely turns color and gets that nice brown color that we're looking for. I do want to let you know that you can substitute chicken for shrimp if you have an allergy to shellfish or something like that, or you just don't like shrimp. Just make sure that your chicken is already cooked before and chopped up into small pieces before you get started. All right, we're just going to add a little bit more of the dark soy sauce in. I wanted to get it a little bit darker. Like I said, I don't know if anybody else has done this, but I've done this several times now. Just experimenting. When you're doing cauliflower fried rice, it's basically all veggies, so you do things a little differently. And I tried to add shrimp one time. When I tell you it turned out great, it was fantastic. So this is a winner, and I highly recommend you guys try it. Now what I have here, I have in some already cooked shrimp. These were jumbo shrimp, so what I did, I just took them and I just broke them. I cut them down a little bit into bite-sized pieces. And that's about a cup and a half of shrimp. You add those, and then we're adding bean sprouts. Some people don't like bean sprouts. We happen to love them, so we added in some bean sprouts as well. And let's go ahead and give that a good little toss. Now, it doesn't take long because the shrimp is already done, and you want to keep the bean sprouts with a little bit of a bite to them. So once you got that incorporated, what you're going to do again is make another little well in the middle of your rice. Now you're going to add your spinach. You know it does not take long for spinach to cook. So add in a couple handfuls of spinach, and it's cover it up, and you're going to begin to let that spinach wilt a little bit. This is an amazing recipe, y'all. All right, now we've let it wilt a little bit. Now you're just going to want to start incorporating it into your rice. Like I said, keep in mind, it does not take long for spinach to cook. So that heat and that steam from that rice is going to make it easy for that spinach to really break down and wilt. And you just want to keep on mixing it around until you get it fully incorporated into your rice. This is definitely a one-pot dish. You've got your veggies, you've got your protein, all in one dish. So it's real good, you guys, and easy to do. Now we're going to add in the tops of our green onion. Add as little or as much as you like. Get some more color there, and just keep incorporating. You're basically done. Like I said, this is a great substitute if you're trying to cut back on your carbs and watch your carb intake. You really can't tell the difference. It's not exactly like rice, but it's a great substitute. You're not really missing anything. And you can also get those veggies into those kids. If you want to start incorporating a little bit healthier meals for them, give this one a shot. They'll love it as well, because my kids definitely did. And that's it, guys. We're done. This is our spinach and shrimp cauliflower fried rice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video out if you can. Until the next one, guys, I truly appreciate you guys watching. God bless you. Again, give this a shot. And if you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right, guys. Until see you again. God bless.